Hello, in front of me I've got Moza Racing R5 Direct Drive Racing Simulator set. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, take a look at the front of the original box. Here we can see the image of the steering wheel. And now take a look at the sides. On this side we can see features of the steering wheel. For example, handmade stitch leather, aluminum alloy frame, customized quick release from Real Racing, programmable flow shift light, and 22 programmable buttons. Now let's take a look at the back of the box. Right here we can check specification for direct drive wheelbase. For example, 5.5 Nm peak torque, aeroplane grade aluminum, ultra high power density servo motor, Moza Pit House control software, and app cloud control. Let's take a look at the other side. And here we can learn about pedals. High strength steel, high precision Hall sensor, mapping pedal output curves, adjustable spacing and height, anti-slip design. Let's go back to the front of the original box and let's unbox it. We are going to start by removing the sticker. And firstly, we can see manual and some stickers. Next, we've got the steering wheel. Some cables for connection, screws, bolts, and this is empty. Next, we can find holders for attachment, cables for pedals, steering wheel base, and in the end we can find pedals. Let me remove the box. There's nothing else here. And this is basically our set. Steering wheel base, steering wheel and pedals. Now take a look at the steering wheel. Right here we've got 22 adjustable and programmable buttons and 2 paddles for changing gears. We've got start, radio, S1, S2 button, home menu, camera, reverse parking box, neutral, wipers, FLPL buttons and X, Y, A, B buttons. Two pedals for gas and clutch or brake, and the bass. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.